Hi, my name is Arielle Carmel. I am currently in my 4th year in the doctoral psychology program. Throughout my time here at Midwestern, I've held several positions, including president of the Jewish Student Union, president of One Health Club, and treasurer of my class year. So Hanukkah is an 8-day holiday that occurs in the wintertime, but not always on the same date. This is because the Jewish people follow the Hebrew calendar. The word Hanukkah means dedication, referring to our celebration of our rededication of the Holy Temple after the Maccabees defeated the Syrian Greeks, who were ruling the land at the time. In their effort to light the temple's menorah to celebrate this rededication, they could only find a 1-day supply of olive oil. Miraculously, with this tiny bit of oil, they were able to light the menorah for 8 days. So each night we light 1 candle, adding to the night before, lighting from left to right, using the shamash, or the main candle. By the 8th night, all of the candles are lit. Since the miracle of Hanukkah involved oil, it is customary to eat foods fried in oils such as latkes, which are potato pancakes, and sufganiyot, jelly donuts. We also play with dreidels, which have 4 Hebrew letters, Nun, Gimel, He, Shin, an acronym for Nes Gadol Haya Sham, which means a great miracle happened there. It is also customary to give gifts, which first started with giving Hanukkah gelt, which now turned into chocolate coins. So growing up, my family and I would follow all of the customs of Hanukkah. Sometimes we would gather with family and friends, and after lighting candles, we enjoy a large feast of latkes, jelly donuts, and other delicious Jewish foods.
Hi everyone, and welcome to day 2 of Highlight the Holidays cooking demo. I have Chef Krista back with us, and we'll be celebrating Hanukkah, and we're going to be making for you some potato latkes. To prepare the potato latkes, Chef Krista will be taking some Yukon Gold potatoes, and she is going to cut those into 2-inch chunks, peeled. She's going to simmer away until they're fork tender, and then she's going to take a ricer or a box grater and grate them until they look like voila, beautiful. We also then take our Idaho potatoes, peeled, and we are going to freshly grate these. And then once the potato is mixed with the onion, you would put it through a cheesecloth or any kind of kitchen towel that you have, and you would strain all the extra moisture in the potato. Potatoes typically just have so much water in them. You want to get all moisture you can out of these because we're going to add in moisture, and the less moisture when pan frying anything, the better to make it crispy. You want your potato latkes to have some texture on the outside. We will eventually mix all the 3 potato mixtures together. We have the potatoes with the onions, we have the potatoes that we riced, and we also have the Idaho potatoes that we just grated. You will add all other ingredients in there, which is the flour or matzah meal, your eggs, salt and pepper, and mix to a batter-like consistency. This is like a potato pancake. So you want it to be chunks of potato, but still have some consistency of like a pancake batter. You want to preheat your pan. We're using a non-stick pan with a little canola oil. Some of our other popular dishes that we love during Hanukkah is braised brisket, which will be served with the potato latkes in the cafe when we do the highlight of the holidays. Right now, Chef Krista is pan frying. So around 3.5 minutes on each side. Once she goes to flip, it will look like the other pan there. Beautiful. And that is our potato latke in celebration of Hanukkah.
I'm excited to share as we highlight the holidays at Midwestern. Thanks for listening.